Are you ready to witness unprecedented power? Today, we will explore the most modern, fastest, and most efficient wood splitting machines on the market. From advanced hydraulic technology to intelligent automation systems, these machines will leave you in awe. Get ready to witness a revolution in the wood industry. Let's explore this impressive homemade wood cutter using a 1940 John Deere Model B engine. A very interesting creation and integration. Cutting wood is now simple and also a fun hobby rather than a laborious task. Splitting wood manually with an axe is a traditional method that has existed for thousands of years and remains a reliable choice. Let's see how to split firewood with an axe.
As small as you want. Pretty small firebox in our wood stoves. That's what we got.
Great. In just a few rounds of splitting, the log has been separated into a bundle of firewood. Very useful for chopping wood at home, isn't it? Wow, this wood cutting machine is truly one of a kind. But maybe it should be called an exercise machine rather than a wood cutter. A very clever design, combining two tasks in one. Cutting wood while exercising to improve health. Very impressive. Let's tour this impressive mobile firewood production facility. The logs are lined up in a queue and go through a modern cutting process to create the desired finished firewood pieces. These logs are mass-pressed to create firewood pieces. This design is truly efficient and impressive. Yes, this is a very classy and powerful DIY design. The engine is an electric motor that drives the large pair of flywheels. This machine is ready to split any log in half. The splitting speed is very fast. The efficiency is truly surprising. Introducing this outstanding garden wood cutter to you. Compact design and easy to move with excellent wood cutting performance. With cutting speed and ease of use like this, it's simply flawless. This machine is putting on a very impressive performance. Check out the impressive performance of this wood splitter. The blade is designed like a lever that continuously presses up and down. The remaining task is to place the log in its correct position. This is a very clever design where the splitting blade operates continuously, resulting in excellent wood splitting productivity. The power of the wood splitter lies in this hydraulic system and, importantly, the sturdy blade frame. When the log is pressed and pushed against the splitting blade frame, it creates the desired firewood pieces. Let's admire the modern production process of this wood splitting factory. Through the central control area, the machinery operates continuously and produces outstanding productivity. The logs are cut evenly to the standard size and mass-produced to create uniform firewood pieces. This is a highly optimized wood splitting machine, with a grabber arm that directly picks up large logs into the splitting frame. The hydraulic system and sturdy frame create an unstoppable force. Large logs are split very smoothly. There is no doubt about the impressive efficiency of this wood splitter. Wow, look at this old machine that still retains its full value. Each slow but powerful rotation splits the log in half instantly. Wow, look at the impressive design of this wood splitter. Using gear drive, the machine is still powerful enough to split these logs in half. The plus point is that the splitting speed is very fast compared to hydraulic splitters. You can handle that whole pile of wood behind you by yourself. Really impressive. Wow, look at this pile of wood. How long would it take to split it with an axe? But no, when you see him split a log, you'll be surprised. With just a few chops, this log has been split into firewood. It probably won't be long before that pile of wood is processed. If you split wood, try his method. Let's tour this modern wood splitting factory. This is a very large-scale factory. Trees of all sizes and shapes are fed into the production line through an intelligent stacking system. They are then sent for cutting and sorting for splitting. High-capacity cutting and splitting machines, along with skilled workers, have created outstanding productivity here. Continue with this classic wood splitter model. With power sourced from an electric motor and direct drive system through gear motion, this wood splitter produces efficiency at very high speeds. Watch this speed demonstration. With the saw blade powered by a large engine, cutting logs is no longer a challenge but rather simple. Utilizing old engines and materials to create something new and effective is truly impressive. This is a smart design for optimal efficiency. Two powerful hydraulic cylinders create enormous pushing force. Ability to split large 24 by 30-inch logs or 3 10-inch logs simultaneously. Impressive processing speed, 1 cubic meter of hardwood in just 2 minutes. This special wood splitting machine will amaze you. See how it works. The support, like a giant cup, catches the log and stands it upright. Each small section is cut into perfectly even firewood pieces. It's impressive. Join these two men as they operate this powerful wood splitter with great skill and experience. In no time at all, the large log is split into small pieces very easily and smoothly. This is a very modern and powerful splitter. With this machine, preparing firewood for the winter will be easier than ever before. It's no wonder that oak wood is renowned for producing the most beautiful firewood. The log looks stunning, and the split firewood pieces are equally impressive. This is a large log that requires a very powerful splitting machine to conquer it. The wood splitter with its powerful hydraulic push system. The uniform firewood pieces are created very smoothly, demonstrating the impressive power of the machine. The wood splitting process is quick and efficient. The design with leverage force looks truly different. It's no exaggeration to say this log splitter splits wood like cutting cake. Don't you agree? The working performance of Super Axe is truly amazing. The splitting blade moves continuously, creating quality firewood in an instant. Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.